Making money online has never been easier thanks to the wide range of AI-powered tools available. With these tools, you can easily automate mundane or repetitive tasks and maximize your profits. In this video, we will look at some of the best free AI tools that you can use to make money online. We will discuss how they work and provide examples of how they can be used in various scenarios. By the end, you should have a better understanding of how AI can help you make more money online. TinyWow is the best free AI site to make money online. The website provides amazing tools and resources that allow users to leverage AI and make money in an automated way. Users can quickly create a strategy that will help them generate passive income with no upfront costs. The website has easy-to-use tutorials and step-by-step instructions that explain how users can set up the AI to complete a certain task. With the help of cutting-edge technology and advanced algorithms, the platform makes it easy for people to get into the exciting world of artificial intelligence. By leveraging TinyWow's proprietary AI tools, users have access to some amazing tools that can help with money-making ventures online. Best of all, these tools are 100% free. Artificial intelligence is quickly becoming a powerful tool to help make money online. The AI tool TinyWow has allowed users to generate AI-based art for various projects, leading to potential financial opportunities. TinyWow offers an easy way for users unfamiliar with AI technology to get involved in digital artwork creation. With the ability to create art with just a few clicks and no coding experience necessary, it's perfect for those who want to explore the potential of generating income through digital art without having extensive knowledge or skill set. Users can customize their output from colors and textures to facial expressions and postures of avatars, allowing them even more creative freedom. In addition, TinyWow also provides detailed tutorials that can be used as a reference when creating artwork, making it easier for people of any skill level or background to use the service effectively. If you're looking to make money online and need help with writing content, consider using TinyWow. TinyWow is a revolutionary artificial intelligence writing assistance program that helps you plan and write content more efficiently. Used by everyone from bloggers to professional writers, TinyWow can help anyone create unique, well-written pieces of content quickly and easily. TinyWow utilizes AI technology to determine the best way for users to structure their work. It provides helpful advice on how to improve the grammar as well as offering personalized suggestions based on user input. Users can also add tags or keywords for SEO purposes, allowing them to get more traffic from search engines. Additionally, it offers an easy-to-use drag-and-drop feature which makes rearranging sections of text a breeze. No need for coding knowledge. TinyWow provides users with the ability to create amazing video projects. This innovative platform has been designed specifically for people who want to take their videos to the next level, and it comes packed with many powerful video-specific tools. The first of these tools is its AI-powered auto-editing capability, which helps eliminate tedious manual editing tasks and improves the overall quality of videos. Additionally, TinyWow features an array of apps. TinyWow offers users the tools to take their projects and turn them into money-making opportunities. Furthermore, this platform takes advantage of the power of artificial intelligence to provide users help with their projects in a way that wasn't possible before. This makes TinyWow a must-use for those who are looking to make money online. The AI tools offered on TinyWow are designed to help you understand what it takes to get your project up and running, as well as keep it going. The platform also provides resources such as tutorials and other helpful resources for users who want more information about how they can make money from their projects. In conclusion, if you are looking for an easy way to start making money online, then TinyWow is definitely worth checking out. If you enjoyed today's video and have not already subscribed, do it now so you know when the next video is uploaded. Likes are always appreciated. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.